In today's Bitcoin analysis on weekly time frame, we have this level of resistance for the price, which you can see the price got rejected from that level here. If you have watched my previous Bitcoin analysis, I told you that we have an engulfing candle here on this resistance on weekly time frame. We can risk somewhere here and enter a long-term sell position with a stop loss above the candle and look for our reward, which that scenario is happening right now. And our second confirmation is this one here, break of the trend line in a daily time frame, which it was like this. Look, we had the trend line, it was like this. We connect this one to this one, and when we see that shadow out of the trend line, we extend it, and also here too. Right now the daily candle of today is breaking it to the downside. If this candle can close like this after something like 8 hours, we can actually enter a long-term sell position here with a stop loss above the candle or somewhere safer, which I recommend put it here because it is nice. It is a nice place to put your stop loss and look for your reward. Okay, but also we have a support here on level which you can see the price there, $25,242. We have this level of support. As you can see, the price was going up and touches a level and starts falling. So when it breaks it, it continues going up. So this can be a nice level of support for the price. If we see some nice candles on that, we can close our sell position from here, and actually we can also enter buy position if we see some nice candles on that on lower time frames, okay, for some scalping positions. Let's check for our time frame to see what we have there. On 4-hour time frame, we don't have anything special. The price broke our trend line somewhere here, but we should wait for the daily time frames candle to break this trend line for our second confirmation of the breakout. Then we can actually enter sell position with more safety. And as you can see right now, this pin bar shadow from upside is also a candle that we can actually enter sell position, showing that the market can be bearish in the next hours. Right now we can risk somewhere here and enter sell position, put our stop loss above the candle and look for our reward. Let's check 1-hour time frame. On 1-hour time frame, we had a trend line like this with 3 touches on that. The price broke it somewhere here, and the price is exactly on that level. Right now we can risk somewhere here and enter sell position, put our stop loss above the candle and look for our reward. Let's check 15-minute time frame. The 15-minute time frame is exactly the same as 1-hour time frames analysis. We had a breakout of this trend line, which it was like this here, so we could risk here and enter sell position, put our stop loss above the candle or somewhere safer and look for our reward. On 5-minute time frame, we have a trend line like this. We have a trend line here with, actually, if I can draw that for you, we connect this one to this one, and when we see that shadow out of the trend line, we extend it. We have this trend line for the price. With the break of this to the upside, we can risk and enter buy position, but I don't do that because we have lots of confirmations for sell positions, and the market is changing from uptrend to downtrend, okay? And it is illogical to enter sell position here, but I'm not saying that it won't, with the break of this to the upside, it won't give us our reward somewhere here. I'm not saying that. I'm saying it has a less percentage of winning, okay? It has a less chance of winning. So I'm not entering this buy position here. On 1-minute time frame, let's check what we have. On 1-minute time frame, we don't have anything special, but I can draw a trend line like this one. We have 2 points. The price touches these 2 points and starts going up. So 2 points of support, this one here and this one. We connect these two to each other, and with the break of this trend line to the downside, we can have our sell position opened on 1 minute time frame with a stop loss above these candles and look for our reward. Okay guys, thanks for watching. It was all about today's analysis of Bitcoin. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and also leave me a comment, tell me your ideas about the future of Bitcoin in the upcoming days, and if you have any questions you can ask me in the comments. But let's move to the next part, the trading tip part, which I actually started showing you some trading tips that you can use in the trading journey you have. The trading tip of the day is you should never try to trade without stop loss. Trading without stop loss is exactly gambling. Okay, the differences between trading and gambling is technical analysis that we have. Okay, and the stop loss is a part of that technical analysis, and we can increase our percentage of winning by our technical analysis in trading. But in gambling we have a chance of winning of 50% all the time. Okay, and when you are trading without stop loss, you are actually gambling on that position, because anytime market can return and touch our stop loss. Okay, but we should not let the market to do that, to go, to actually fall further or go upper, that we can lose more money. Okay, we should not let the market to do that to us. We should set stop loss that we can accept that our position was false, our analysis was false. Okay, and I lose some money but not more money. Okay, so use stop loss on your positions and guarantee your positions that it is not gonna be totally to zero.